Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are revising your syllabus according to your revision test. So as of now, revision test 3.1 and 2 have been discussed. Since yesterday we have started discussion of revision test syllabus of revision test 3.3. Yesterday we discussed some questions which have been asked since last 10 years. In last 10 years question paper we discussed from part 1. So today let us discuss some questions from part 2. Okay, so let us begin. Some more questions. Till question number 3rd we have discussed. Now question number 4. What kind of a girl Peggy was? So Peggy was the most attractive and intelligent girl. She was very sentimental. She couldn't bear an animal to be hurt and protected small children from bullies. But towards Vanda, she had a different attitude. Question number 5. What was the competition about in the school? So, as we know that there was a drawing competition in the school. In the competition, all boys had to draw a motor boat and all girls had to make sketches of a dress. Who won the drawing competition in each category? What had they drawn? So Jack Bangles, who drew a motor boat, won the boys category, and Vanda Petronsky, who drew 100 different dresses, won the girls medal in the drawing competition. How does everyone in class react to Vanda's drawing? So everyone clapped after having a look of Vanda's drawing. Even the boys who were not interested in drawing applauded and whistled at the jaw-dropping sketches that Vanda had made of the 100 dresses she claimed to have. Now long answer type questions, value based. Pen down the character sketch of Vanda Petronsky. So Vanda Petronsky is a Polish girl who has shifted in America from Poland with her parents. She is very poor and lives up on Bogins Heights. She is very shy and quiet. She does not talk to anyone. She has no friends and sits in the last row of the class with some naughty boys so that nobody notices her. She wears the same faded blue dress every day, which is not ironed but clean. Everybody teases her in her class. In anger, she claims of having 100 dresses and 60 pair of shoes at home. She is very determined and shows her determination in the drawing competition by displaying the 100 sketches of dresses she claims to own. Each of them was so beautiful that she wins the competition and surpasses Peggy. Question number 2. The 100 Dresses one is about teasing Wanda. It also borders on ragging and racism indirectly. Describe how does it affect you and how do you evaluate. The story, The 100 Dresses one, is really all about teasing of Wanda being Polish and having a strange name. They made fun of Wanda and made her feel inferior by asking her about her dresses. Their behavior towards Wanda was completely undesirable as it shows racism and ragging. These are totally condemnable issues. These are totally condemnable issues in the society which cannot be accepted. Peggy and Maddie never thought of Wanda's feelings and continued teasing her. But her selection as winner shows that color, prejudice, or racism are not the parameter of talent, as everybody clapped for her drawings. Question number 3. It disturbs you that Peggy and Maddie make fun of Wanda. You don't like it. You decide to speak about this as weak, ugly, or poor. Write a speech to express your thoughts. This question has also been asked in CBSE 2016. Dear friends, today I would like to express my thoughts about the issue of making fun of the students who are weak, ugly, or poor by those who are bit superior to them in these aspects. But I would like to fetch your attention that being ugly or poor is not a personal choice or fault. God created us with different qualities and we should see those qualities in others too. One may be poor or physically unattractive, but she may have better qualities or skill than us. As in the story, Wanda Petronsky is better than Peggy and Maddie in her creativity or drawing. I hope we all give respect to one another and do not judge anyone on the basis of their monetary status or physical color. Let us all be encouraging human beings, helped and uplifting other human beings. Okay, so this is all about part 1. Now let us discuss questions from part B of the story. Question number 1 from part 2. State the reason behind the letter of Mr. Petronsky, Wanda's father. Mr. Petronsky, Wanda's father, wrote the letter because he was upset to know about what all his daughter had to go through because of her strange name. Question number 2 has also been asked in CBSE 2016. What do you think about Venda's action of not coming to school anymore? So Venda never replied to anyone against their misbehavior, against her misbehavior should be here. Venda never there because it is about Venda and her brother. Okay, so that is why you can also use there. So Venda never replied to anyone against their misbehavior, but due to insult she faced, she decided not to come to school anymore. It was very mature of her age to teach them lesson without any argument. Question number 3 has also been asked in CBSE examination 2015. How did Peggy and Maddie try to amend of their behavior towards Venda? So both Peggy and Maddie decided to change their behavior as Peggy had tried to justify that it was not her dress for which she teased her. Maddie decided not to be a mute spectator and promised herself that she would try to protect if anyone would be mocked down. Question number 4 has also been asked in CBSE examination 2012. What impression do you form of Venda Petronsky on the basis of reading the lesson 100 Dresses? Or what kind of a girl was Venda Petronsky? Venda Petronsky was a Polish girl who was very simple. She used to keep herself calm and silent. In every condition, she never reacted when Peggy teased her and took it lightly. She always replied everyone with a smile. She even gifted her drawings to Peggy and Maddie, which showed her innocent and loving behavior. Question number 5. Why did Maddie rush to Peggy's house while gazing at her drawing? Maddie rushed to Peggy's house while gazing at the drawing because she had seen her face in the drawing and wanted to confirm about Peggy for the same. Question number 6. Why did Peggy and Maddie assume that Venda had received their letter? Peggy and Maddie assumed that Venda had received their letter because in her letter to Miss Mason, Venda requested her to gift her drawings to both of them. Question number 7. Why did Maddie have sleepless nights? Maddie had sleepless nights because she was very upset about what all had happened and couldn't amend her behavior towards Venda as she had shifted to some other city. Question number 8. What did the children of room 13 do on the Christmas Eve? The children of room 13 decorated their room with great love and affection. They decorated it with the Christmas bells and a Christmas tree. Why was there no reply of the letter written to Wanda by the girls? The girls, Maddie and Peggy, didn't receive any reply from Wanda either because of her anger towards them or because they wrote the address of her old house in Boggins Heights and not of her new house. This question has also been asked in CBSE 2012. Question number 10. What did Peggy say to Maddie when they did not find her at Boggins Heights? Peggy told Maddie that Wanda had won because of her teasing that inspired her to draw such beautiful dresses. Otherwise, she would not have been able to win the contest. Now, long answer type questions, value based questions. What did Maddie and Peggy write a letter to Wanda? What happened to it? How did Maddie behave even though Peggy had begun to forget the whole business? Peggy and Maddie wrote a friendly letter to Wanda. Rather than being sorry, they asked her about her new school, new teacher. They told her about the result of drawing contest which she had won and that her drawings were very beautiful. They mean to say sorry indirectly. They signed it with lots of X for love and didn't say anything to tease her. But they did not get any reply from her. After some time, Peggy had begun to forget her whole business. But Maddie was surrounded by the thoughts of Wanda and everything that happened to Wanda. She felt guilty and decided not to be silent anymore, so that others might not feel ashamed like her. Question number 2 has also been asked in CBSE examination in 2014. You are Wanda. You are deeply hurt by the behavior of your classmates. Express your feelings in the form of a diary entry. So you will be following the format of diary entry. I am very aggrieved and disturbed by the insulting words of my classmates, Peggy and Maddie, as both of them leave no stone unturned to look me down. And being a Polish girl, having a long name, I feel helpless to reward them in the same coin. Peggy, in vain, she teases me by asking about my dress. She asks me how many dresses, shoes, hats, etc. do I have. When I reply that I have 100 dresses and 60 pairs of shoes, they ask whether all of them are of different colors and designs. Maddie always remains calm and thus supports Peggy in doing so. She lacks courage to state what is right and what is wrong. I never react and try to smile at their irritating questions because I know there will be no difference between me and them if I too turn the table of their side in the same way. Now that my father has come to know what I am going through, he has decided to shift to another city in order to avoid confrontation and racism, as such humiliation circumstances can neither be tolerated nor can be accepted. Question number 3. Give the character sketch of Wanda Petronsky. Wanda Petronsky, a Polish, has shifted to America with her parents and younger brother. She is very kind and simple hearted. She never behaves badly with anyone. She feels disturbed when Peggy teases her, but she replies confidently and courageously to what Peggy says to her. She wears the same blue faded dress every day, but she never complains about anything. She is very talented and has a good hand at drawing. She also wins the drawing contest and thus shows her creative side. She is forgiving and generous as she forgives Peggy and Maddie by gifting them two of her drawings in which she draws their faces. So, it can be said that she is a mature, sensible, and loving girl who cares about everyone. Question number 4. How can you say that Maddie is an emotional girl? Compare and contrast Maddie and Peggy. So, by a close reading of the lesson, dear students, I'm just reading out the sample answers which are given here. Your words, your answers, your content may vary. Okay, it is not like that you have to stick to the content given here or you have to copy. Okay, we are just going through to revise the chapter once again. Okay, and to just recall the answer. You can rewrite the answer in your own words. You should rewrite the answers in your own words. By a close reading of the lesson, it can be said that Maddie is an emotional girl. Being a close friend of Peggy, she remains by her side when Peggy teases Wanda, but she feels bad for her. She decides to write a note to Peggy to stop teasing Wanda, but tears it as she doesn't want to be the next target of fun. In the end, she decides to stand against anyone who teases others, even if she has to lose her friendship, which shows her emotional attribute. As compared to Maddie, Peggy is an arrogant girl. She teases Wanda by asking her about dresses, but she is not cruel as she helps children from bullies and cries when she sees an animal being hurt. But she tries to make fun of Vanda every time and defends herself. So both the girls have different personalities and attributes which can be directed by their actions. Question number 5, which has also been asked in CBSE examination. The 100 Races gives out a moral lesson of what a man should be like as Vanda displays herself in the given situation. Vanda, by her behavior towards Peggy and Maddie, shows her exalted character as is seen in her letter. How far would you agree with her and justify such a behavior in all persons as essential? Write a paragraph on such an aspect. Now, answer. Vanda Petrovsky's letter highlights her greatness, which gives us a view of her nature as a simple, loving, caring, and friendly human being. She gifts her drawings to Peggy and Maddie, though they tease her a lot. It shows how great she is, as it requires a lot of courage and patience to do so. An ordinary person cannot do that and would definitely hate them, but Vanda shows polite and peaceful traits of her character. In our society, it is very difficult to find such a character, but such traits are a must to be a good human being. Here, in our society, people tease others with racist remarks, which is not a sign of good culture. By answering in a polite and friendly manner, Vanda displayed to be a human person. We all should try to have or acquire such traits in our character so that everyone could praise us and we can live peacefully. Okay, so it's all about, dear students, these two chapters. So you must rewrite once again all the questions which we have discussed. All these questions are very important. They have been asked in CBSE examination in last year's question papers. Right now, the questions which we teachers are discussing with you, they are very important, and they are from last year question papers. I have also discussed with you the websites cbsesamplepapers.info and learncbse.com, from where you can also collect more questions and practice. You must go through the sample answers given here, and then later you should rewrite the answers in your own words. So this way you can practice better. So thank you students for watching this video. In the coming videos too, we will keep discussing the questions on the chapters which will be there in your next revision test.